Welcome back. Let's learn about Quick Tool today. So Quick Tool, you can find it here in the Annotate tab. Here is the Quick Tool. Quick Tool is used to dimension all the entities at the same time. That saves us considerate amount of time. Here you can see I have drawn many circles and many lines. So using the Quick Tool, you can dimension all this circle at once, so that will save you a lot of time. So let's start with the Quick Tool. Click on the Quick Tool and the command line is asking you to select the geometry. So I'll select all the circles and press enter. And now command line is asking me to specify dimension line positions, and there are many options here. For now I'll go with diameter. You can also go with radius. I'll click on this diameter and I'll click outside the circle to place the dimension. So I'll click here and you can see the diameter of all the circle is placed. So currently the unit is in architect unit, so the diameter is in feet and inches. So you can change the diameter to decimal as per your wish. Now again access the Quick Tool by typing its command, that is QDIM. So we are dimensioning using Quick Tool. So QDIM is its shortcut and press enter. Now the command line is asking me to select geometry. Now let's go to the lines. Let's select all these lines and press enter. So here you can see there are various options. So first let's start with continuous. Click on it and I'll click here to place my dimension. As you can see, there is continuous dimension between the lines. So the distance between the lines is placed continuously. So it saves lots of time. So let's undo it for now and let's go to the another option. Now let's again access the quick dimension tool. Click on it and the command line asks to select all the geometry. Press enter and let's go to this staggered options. Now click on it and I'll place the dimension here. All the dimension is at one place, so it's a bit difficult to understand. So here you can see there is dimension between two last lines. So here you can see there is dimension between two outlines, then inside and then inside. So it is placed in this way. So this is staggered dimension. Let's undo it and let's again access the quick dimension tool. Select lines and now let's go with the baseline. So here you can see all the dimension is placed by taking this line as baseline. So distance between this baseline to another line, another. So in this way the baseline dimension has been done. So let's undo it. Let's again access the quick toolbar. Select, enter, and now there is ordinate. So click on it and I'll place my dimension here. You can see the vertical dimension is placed, vertical values are placed, that is actually the x coordinate values. Let's undo it also and let's again access the quick dimension toolbar. Select the line, press enter, and the next one here is datum point. So click on it and now I need to select the datum point. So I click here and press my dimension. And now let's again access the quick dimension tool. Select all the geometry, press enter, and now let's select this datum point. Let's take this point as datum point. Next I have placed the dimension here. There 0 and the value of the line increase as the distance keep on increasing. So that's all about the quick dimension toolbar. So I hope this video was clear. Thank you for watching.